Hey, in this video, I'm going to go over HighLevel, also known as GoHighLevel, and whether this tool or platform is the right platform for you. And let's get into it right now. All right, so in this video, I'm going to go over what is HighLevel. Now, there's no way that I can cover exactly what HighLevel is in 10 minutes, the technical aspect, but I'm going to give you, hopefully in this video, this short session that I'm with you, to know exactly what it is. And at the end, I'm going to give you my honest feedback and opinion if HighLevel is for you or not. All right. So everything you need to know in less than 10 minutes. This is what I'm going to try to cover. All right. So bear with me. Now, this is an all-in-one platform that may replace all of your marketing stacks or tools that you have. Okay. Now, previously, I've had many different platforms, and basically you had multiple platforms utilizing, and you had multiple login and password, and you had to pay for each of those subscriptions, and the data was all over the place, right? You may have emails in your email responder, and then you have your CRM, and they are two different places. And so and then you have the potential to miss follow-ups because you are disorganized and you have information all over the place. And that's where GoHighLevel. Now, the reason why some people may refer to GoHighLevel, the actual name is HighLevel. The domain just happens to be GoHighLevel. At that point when they were trying to purchase the domain, I guess HighLevel wasn't available and they didn't want to pay extra. So they just got GoHighLevel, and that's where it came from. All right, so let's move on. And so what exactly is HighLevel? It's a platform that is built for marketing agency. Also can be used by local businesses, but I'm going to talk about that later. So these icons represent, the first one icon is CRM, funnels, emails, workflows, appointment calendar, reputation management, and AI. There's other features as well, but I'm giving you the core components. Okay. Now, as I said, this is for marketing agencies because you have the ability to manage all your clients under one roof or login. Okay. And then this is also for local businesses because local businesses can utilize this to simply capture, nurture, and convert more leads using this platform. And coaches and consultants, you can use this for, let's say, booking and follow-ups. There is also courses, membership, just like Kajabi, and you also have community as well. Okay, so there you go. This could be used by everyone that's out there. All right, so these are the core features: CRM, pipeline, website, funnel builder, funnel builder like ClickFunnels, websites, very, you know what it is, email and SMS campaigns, calendar scheduling, then you have social media planners, and then you have AI tools and workflows. Now, you got AI, voice AI, there's conversational AI chatbots and things like that. Okay. All right. So with the CRM and automation, this basically automates every step of your customer's journey. When you get a lead, you nurture them, you get them booked, get on a call, and you close on them. And so this is the awesome power of this platform and keeps everything organized. Okay. I'm using it daily in my business. You also have funnels and websites. You can build landing pages and funnels, and you can also build out websites. And there's no coding necessary, meaning that you don't have to know HTML. Now, you may want to, use custom CSS to customize your websites, but it's not necessary. They have all the templates that you need in HighLevel. Okay. Now, communications and reputation. Two-way SMS, with the built-in with AI, you can do conversations with it as well. And then the Google review and Facebook review management, you're able to ask for reviews. And then also replies can be done by AI as well, replies to those reviews. And then this can be used for central inbox for all messages. Okay. Now, they are coming out with a way to compete with Microsoft Teams and Google Workspace. That's later on. I just want to mention that because they are trying to take on, like I said, the bigger enterprises out there. Okay, so AI features, AI chat, voice. So my staff actually it's actually voice AI, not voice responders. And then they have the ability AI to write content for your emails as well as blog posts, and then also workflow builders as well. A lot of features. I can't go over all of them. Okay. All right. Now the awesome power for agency is the ability to take this platform, and you have a license. Once you get the license, you have the ability to white label it, meaning you can white label and you can brand it to whatever name you want, and you can actually get a domain and you can white label, they call it, and sell it to your customers at a higher price. Now, you sell it for higher price because you are now providing the support and not HighLevel. Okay. All right. Now, that's a big thing that I wanted to mention, and I'm not going to go into details about that, but that is a big thing because if a small business owner gets to HighLevel, they have to go to HighLevel to get support and not the agency. Okay. Now, how do you have this one operating system for your whole business, basically a single dashboard, and I use it every day where I capture, nurture, close. You could do reviews and then repeat the process over and over again. And so this is why this platform is awesome. Now, let me talk about the prices very quickly. And I'm going to give you the key the key thing to point out to you with between these three price points. The starter gives you 2 accounts, one for yourself and one for one other client. Now, and then unlimited gives you as many unlimited sub accounts that you can host or you can take care of your clients. And that's where $297 for unlimited is awesome. Now, the distinction between for the Pro is that it comes with, there's other things, but the main thing that I see is the SaaS configurator, they call it, and then also the ability for rebilling. So SaaS configurator is the ability to set specific features, or you can set certain rebilling for and set it, and then when somebody purchases a specific plan, it automates that whole process so you don't have to do it manually. And then rebilling is the ability for certain features like SMS. There's a whole bunch of features, SMS, emails. You can rebill your client for how many factors. You could factor it by 2, 1.5, 3, 4, whatever, and basically that's your profit over your internal costs. All right. Next is, so basically I'm going to go over the pros and cons and basically my honest feedback and takeaway. So the pros is all in one. It's very affordable for agencies, in my opinion, right? If you take away all of the marketing stacks that you have and you use HighLevel, now it's not, anyway, let's, so it is affordable. I was going to go into it, talking about these other platforms, but I'm not going to go over that because I'm trying to do it in under 10 minutes and we're at about 9. It's automation plus AI built in, right? And so we got the con side is a huge learning curve, might be overkill for certain solo agencies or certain business owners. And you're also locked into the HighLevel platform, but I don't see HighLevel going anywhere. It's only getting better. So here's my honest feedback. It's the best all-in-one platform. I've been through so many different platforms and used so many different platforms out there. This is by far the best, and they are continuously bringing new features, and there's continuous improvements to this platform, right? The con side is that there is a huge learning curve. And so it is not recommended for local businesses, meaning that if you own a business and your job, you're not in a marketing agency, I don't recommend this. I would probably find an agency that utilizes HighLevel and use them for support and use their white label platform, okay? Because you're not in the business of tinkering with these tools. You're in the business of whatever business you're in, okay? So if you're local businesses, I would not recommend it, all right? But that's up to you, okay? So I hope that covered everything. Thank you for watching. I hope if come back to this channel, and I'm going to be doing more technical reviews, tutorials, and case studies, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye now.